In this video, it's going to be something different. I'm going to be taking apart an old laptop. This is a Toshiba T4700 CT. It was released in the mid-90s, and I know I could probably get a lot more money if I sell this on, but the purpose of the video is to take it apart for scrap and to see what scrap value we can get. I paid £3, £3 in a car boot sale a few years ago. I've had it in storage and I thought now's the time to do a video and take it apart. Right, so let's have a look what we got. Very old looking. Where do we start? Let's start on the back, is it? Wrong one. I'll try and be quick. Don't want a video too long. Right, so the older laptops are nicer to take apart than the newer ones. The newer ones got tiny little screws, and there's about 1,000 screws in one laptop, and a lot of them are hiding as well. It makes it worse. Right, so the older ones are a lot easier to take apart. Probably come across some awkward moments trying to get things out, and because I am unfamiliar with this sort of machinery, but I've undone all them. There's a few on the side as well. Will be interesting to see what sort of boards are inside. Hopefully there'll be some ceramics, maybe ceramic chips, or maybe a ceramic CPU. Just trying to work things out by here. That should slide out. So that's it. Nice. So, card. I don't think that's gold plated. I think that's anodized. So let's not get too excited. But what does that do then? Does that come up? Let's grip. Here we go, man. Yeah, see? Right. One battery. $200 MB. I'm guessing that's the hard drive. Yes, it is. That one side. Just plastic. No picking off. Bloody hell. Right. So, still can't see a great deal at the moment. Keyboard, there'll be silver in here. There's no gold connections on that. I think that's a magnesium alloy, this darker piece. Right, let's undo these screws. No gold on there, so junk at the moment, nothing special. Alright, that's the, I think I can take that screen off by undoing this last screw by here. Might make things a bit easier then. Yeah, I will drop that down. Some sort of battery one screw but there, look. Is it necessary to have so many screws in that one piece of metal? Oh, here we go then. Just steel. Try not to damage things. So we got memory card, 8 megabytes. Now that board is nothing special. I know there'll be another board underneath. So I think that is actually the CPU. So I doubt there'll be a ceramic in here. So let's unplug the screen. Just that wire there holding it on. Pretty straightforward though, the screen just comes off like that. I think that's a speaker. Yes. Oh, that done something. Ali. Right, so I managed to just get that out of the casing. Pretty annoying. Doesn't look a great deal, that's what I'm gonna say. More steel. Steel. Aluminium and some sort of steel alloy. You can tell by the weight. But obviously when it comes to getting all the pins, it's going to be gold plated pins in there. So you just heat that up slightly, melt the solder, that'll all come off. Same here. Nothing much on there really. Screw hiding in there. What's that there? Right. No, nothing. That's it really. That board probably comes off. Yeah, like that. Just a basic pin connection. So yeah, obviously we've got all the gold in these connections. Obviously remove all that. Remove the chips, remove these ports. Remove the chip there. The MLCC probably contain silver and palladium because this is an older type machine. But nothing major on there really, nothing special at all. Just put them to one side. I think that's magnesium, to be honest. It's very light. You got your floppy drive. And the other board, the main board, this is. Nothing. So yeah, that's it. Quite a boring video. I was expecting some goodies out of this, but nothing too exciting at all. Just bog standard chips really. Flat packs written. And that's it. So to conclude the video, this is what we've pulled out the laptop, the value. I will just take this plastic off and get the boards out of this. There'll be probably just one board and maybe another board across there. So that's that. That's junk really. The connections on your not even gold plated. Hard drive. We'll extract everything here. Take the board off, get the chips off. We'll do that. Same as these, we'll crack these open, get the chips out of these. This will all be another video anyway, and I'll keep all this stuff together and I will actually process it and we can actually work out how much gold we get out of this machine. So obviously, like I said previously, take everything off. There's probably pins, well, no, I don't think there is. There won't be any pins in there. So there might be a chip or two on the board inside. The main boards, just a few flat packs. So very disappointing. I was expecting a ceramic CPU, but I suppose laptops not built the same as PCs, are they? And obviously we have just got a little bit of silver, which I won't bother recovering. As it is, I just throw this with the rest of my silver mylar. But yeah, thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next one.